Welcome to 3 Minute Retro, and today we're looking at the ZX81, the Sinclair ZX81. This is a model from Sinclair Research in the days from King's Parade. It was a upgrade to the original ZX80. It had a new case, a new keyboard. It also had the screen flicker fix, which made it a much better machine to use. The machine itself was 167mm by 40mm in height. It weighed 315 grams or 12 ounces. It had a Z80 CPU running at 3.25 megahertz, and it could display 24 lines of 32 characters. It also had a 64 by 44 pixel graphics mode. The ROM was an evolution of the original 9 tiles ROM. This ROM was 8K, including the basic interpreter. It only had 1K of internal RAM, which could be manually expanded to 16K. It used a 7 to 11 volt DC external power supply and was released on the 5th of March in 1981, which is over 40 years ago. This machine kick-started the revolution in the UK and to some extent some other parts of the world by being one of the few computers to sell over 1 million units. The original ZX80 sold around 50,000, so it was a big step up for Sinclair Research. The machine itself used a membrane keyboard. You can see how small it is, and it wasn't much liked by the computer community, but it was a very good way of getting a machine cost reduced, so most people who were interested could afford one. Expansion port. On the back you have an edge connector which directly addresses the CPU and the bus, and the only other expansions you have is in RF out for your TV, an ear and microphone socket, and a barrel jack connector for your DC input. Other than that, it was quite a basic machine. The Sinclair ZX81 kick-started the computer revolution in the UK. It also enabled the ZX Spectrum range of machines to follow it. Without this, we would probably have not had the Sinclair ZX Spectrum range. Okay, this has been 3 Minute Retro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.